is cracking, the lines on my face show the courage that I'm lacking here, and the beauty that I waste. Home was just a word without a time or place. I've fallen in and out of love with the loneliness I've traced, and I can't wait to start again. No, I can't wait to start again. When the darkness and unknown become your friend, no, I can't wait to start again. The voice of 1,000 whispers with answers I can't find. I make promises to the wounded love in the corner of my mind. When the night before has left you and the smoke has filled your lungs, when you don't know what you've come here for, the person you've become, and I can't wait to start again. No, I can't wait to start again. When the darkness and unknown become a friend, no, I can't wait to start.